Chag Sameach, yes, that's.
Chag Sameach. I know what that says. Chag Sameach. Happy feast.
Yes.
All right, so our sister gonna teach us how to put the lulav together, right?
Yes. These are Lulavim and these are etrogim. In Hebrew, it's etrogim. In English, it's just a citron.
It says that we got to get the palms, right?
Palm branches.
The palms.
Yes.
Also the willows and the
Willow and the myrtle.
myrtle. We put them, and this is part of a tradition.
Yes.
But usually we hang them on the booth, and just to be
Some people
in.
still just hang them on the booth. Some people wait
Right.
up for the holiday.
And just to be in lockstep with what the word of the Most High God was, we try to have all four of these things in the booth, so that we could at least have some type of semblance of what is it that we were what we ordered to carry on. So we have the sister Nazira trying putting the stuff together.
And that is a lulav.
And now you got the four
And
things that the Most High God commanded, right?
or in English, a citron. This
Right.
is the stuff that they make the candles out of to get rid of the bugs.
You could use it too to season
Eat
meat.
it,
Yeah, you could season meat with that. It's a
which
big
is what a
lemon.
lot of us do after Sukkot.
It's a big lemon.
It smells wonderful. So we usually make sure that this piece is intact.
Right.
You know, you don't take anything to the Most High that's blemished.
Right.
So if this is missing, this citron is no longer good.
Right.
We take it like this, and we do the four directions when we wave them.
Okay.
Well, actually 6, because we do above and below also.
Okay.
So there you go. Rabbi will do the rest
Thank
of
you. From Sister Nasira.
Okay.
So we here with the
6 directions above,
with the
below,
esteemed.
west, north, and south. And then you were going to explain the rest of it.
We're here with the esteemed Rabbi Chief Benyamin. So question. What does all this read in the, or what does all this stuff read up here?
With Hadar,
What that means?
the fruit of the Hadar.
So can you explain to us why we have all these different branches, palm, and all that stuff?
Well, the tradition is based on Leviticus 23 that these are those branches of goodly trees and all that other stuff. Even though that stuff, we're talking about the materials to build a booth.
Right.
But somewhere down the line, it came into play where tradition is getting the palm.
You should at least have them in the booth.
Yes, that you have it in the booth and waving and rejoice. But that's more of a rabbinic tradition than anything else.
Okay.
Girl, I'm here tonight.
That's not
I'm here tonight, right?
Torah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
As we'll speak about later on tomorrow.
But are the four elements that are mentioned in the law present in this? Or are these the four elements or not?
No. That's by tradition, you would have the four that's mentioned, but no.
Because they don't talk about citron, right?
Nah, they don't talk about the seed. Like this would be the fruit of a goody tree that they were talking
Right.
about. But if you use an exact definition, it's just talking about the branch of a goody tree, which is what they would use to build a booth.
Right.
The willows of the brook, that's all the materials that they gathered in the desert to build a booth.
Right. So basically the elements are there.
Yeah.
Right.
If by tradition, the New Trinity get a symbolic translation.
Symbolic translation.
Yeah. All the four are there.
We got Ima Olive in the building, the mother of the rabbi. And sister is teaching the rabbi how to put it together.
He knows how to do this.
No, he doesn't. He never puts it together.
Put it together. 'Cause he
As you can see here, we're not a chauvinistic, and we're not a feminist congregation either.
Yeah, I ain't into all of that crap.
But what I meant was chauvinistic, So sisters could teach brothers how to do things, as you see here.
Some traditions use this holder, but
Uh-huh.
in reality, depending on they actually get the stems and you actually just wrap it. So you actually don't need that part. You just actually wrap.
She's not really teaching you the full.
No, I mean that's a different
Let's
that's a different tradition that does
not
that.
have that going on.
But
I just.
you know what I'm saying?
All right.
You don't really need to hold it.
Us against each other,
You
Rabbi.
just there's like you can get stems from this and you
Right.
just wrap it 4
Yeah, you
times.
take a palm.
So here we go. This is the preparation for the.
You want me to do this one?
Yeah.
And when you put it together, it's called a what? A lulav.